Welcome to the Adrianster channel. Today I am going to review this Tarmac Fuel Fest RWB 997 from the Tokyo Fuel Fest event from 2023. We are in 2025, but I'm still going to review this car because it's pretty good. It's genuinely pretty good. So first, let me just show you the card you get with it. Tarmac Fuel Fest, Tokyo, Japan. You got the little plugs from Tarmacs, Facebook, Instagram, internet, whatever. And here is the limited edition card. So it's model 1278. I don't know how many there are, probably 5,000. I don't know. I'm just taking a guess right here. And as always, these cards are actually pretty nice, not bad. All right, so let's go through the casting. So it's a special edition, and it has a pretty interesting base. Look at that. This base is pretty nice. There you go. I'm gonna just hold the car here. Look at this base. It's like a grid spots, almost, with the Tarmac logo there. So the fun fact about this car, I've actually seen the real one in Tokyo, next to Autobacks. So I've actually seen this exact car. However, mine was a 997.2. This is a 997.1. So it's the first generation of the 997. So mine was a later 997, but exactly the same livery. So pretty nice, pretty nostalgic for me. I've already unscrewed it, so there you go. You can take a look. First, let's go through the base. You can see that there is calipers actually, because there is this little piece there for every rim. The exhaust system is pretty nice. It's not metal, but it's painted plastic. But it is pretty nice. Look at that. It works well. Next thing you can realize is all those Fuel Fest logos. Look at that. Fuel Fest 1, Fuel Fest 2. That's it. Okay, that's it. But there you go. Tarmac 1. There you go. Tarmac 2. Tarmac 3. That's it. Tarmac 4 on the back. And there's a Tarmac logo. Anyways, there's a lot of sponsors on this car, but the livery is nice. The rims, I want to talk about that because these rims are absolutely magnificent. Look at that. These almost look like aftermarket rims. These are really nice. Can't really see the calipers behind, which is a shame. It's sort of rolls, but I wouldn't count on it. As you can see, it's not rolling very well, but it does roll a bit. This massive wing, again, pretty nice. I like it. It's a shame that there's no Porsche logo up front. It feels like it's missing something here. Normally the Porsche logo should be right where it's written raw welt. So it's RWB. It's a shame that it loses the logo, because on other cars they do conserve the logo. For example, I have this other 997 that I'm gonna post a video on about later on that has the logo. There you go. Look at that. That looks so much better with plate numbers as well. This doesn't have the plate numbers, and it's kind of missing something up front, which is a shame, because from the sides this looks absolutely magnificent. It really looks so good from the sides. So yeah, it's a pretty solid casting from Tarmac. I like it. It's a 997, so I like it. Again, it's kind of that underrated generation from Porsche. Everybody likes the 964, the 993, the 992, the 991, but the 997, in my opinion, is one of the best, because it's one of the last non-turbo Porsches, and it's really nice. Look at that, with these very wide fenders. It's really nice. So overall, the rims are fantastic. The front end missing something, but it's pretty solid. I'll give it a 9 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10, 9 out of 10, because this rear end also doesn't look very enticing. It's nice. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. And this Die Hard little sticker there is very nice as well. No, I'll give it a 9. I'll give it a 9. It's pretty solid, pretty nice. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.